can you live off-grid using solar in the UK during winter? The answer is yes. And no. Let me explain. We set ourselves the challenge to survive all winter on solar without using our generator, and we failed. Drastically. So after recovering from the shame of only making it through 11 days, we decided to stick with it and minimise the use of our generator as much as possible in order to see just how well we could do. Here's what we learned. Number 1, December is a disaster. We've done 2 winters now, and December has been the worst by a long way for both of those years. This isn't a shock because of course the shortest day of the year is in December, but we've also found it to be really, really grey. And we're not the only ones. Going by the comments that we've had over the last few months, people seem to agree that December is definitely the worst for them as well. So we know we're not alone. Number 2, it's our fault. We might not have kept the generator off all winter, but you can be sure somewhere in the UK, someone has. How do we know this? Because they tell us all the time. You know who you are. See you in the comments. At the end of the day, some people are just willing to go without more than we are. With 2 children aged 2 and under, there's some things we're just not willing to do without. For example, the washing machine. You want me to hand wash this? Are you joking? Also, because we're fully off-grid, some of our other utilities depend on electricity. For example, our water pump uses electricity to move water from the tanks to our house, and so that pushes up consumption in a way that's unavoidable. Number 3, our system is big enough. On the worst day, our system made 0.64 kilowatt hours. But on the best day, it made over 21. In fact, we went all of the way through February without switching the generator on once and only turned it on 15 times through the whole of winter, which is a massive improvement on the 33 times that we used it in the winter before. Our opinion is, what's the point in spending thousands and thousands of pounds on batteries or hundreds and hundreds of pounds on more panels when our system is meeting our needs the vast majority of the time? And actually, we will always have a generator for backup because you need it. Number 4, we're missing one thing. And it's not a wind turbine. The thing that we're missing is a gasifier. A wood-fired gasifier would help us to use resources that we already have in order to meet the deficit between our consumption and what we are generating through solar, as well as protecting us from fuel shortages. It will also give us an any-weather solution on those darkest, greyest, stillest days. So those are the main things that we learnt through our Winter Power Challenge. But for those of you who love a little bit of solar data, here are the rest of the headlines and a look at the VRM from the last 3 months. If this is the first video you've seen from our Winter Power Challenge, why not have a look at the rest of our journey by watching this video here?